Today, we're doing a little maintenance work on the car, on how to do an oil change on an MT-82. Good afternoon, everybody. So today, we're doing a little maintenance work on the car. So it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. I've already done this before, but I figured, heck, let me show you guys because there's not a lot of information out there on how to do an oil change on an MT-82 transmission. So we're gonna do a little oil change on it. No big deal. I use basically the Amsoil cocktail, and Amsoil cocktail is basically two of these quarts of the manual synchro mesh transmission fluid, and about 3/4 of the manual transmission transaxle gear lube. Alright, this is recommended by Ben Calamer, and he's like the MT-82 god, and I've read up on this and it works really well. A lot of people use like the BG synchro shift or something like that, but I decided to do this, and I don't want to use stock stuff. This concoction, this Amsoil cocktail is what they call it. It's gonna help you out with the feeling of this transmission. The MT-82 is really sloppy, and it's gonna give it a little bit smoother shifting, because this is what it is. We all know it's not the greatest transmission in the world. So, but there's ways to make it better. Changing the oil, putting a better oil in it, putting a better shifter in it, putting a shifter bracket in it. It takes away a lot of that slop out. The MT-82 is known for. But yeah, this also, it'll give it a nice smoother feeling transmission, because the stuff the Ford uses is probably whatever's in the barrel, and designed for the MT-82, but they're not gonna throw in the best of the best. All you need is basically the oil. You need a ratchet. What size is this? This is a 8mm Allen, and you're gonna need a pump. This is old from the last time I used this pump, when I did my rear end. So you're gonna need a pump. You're gonna need a pan. That's pretty much it. You don't need a ton of stuff. As you can see, the car's already up on lifts and ready to be worked on. This is like the 150th time I've been on this car for the last 2 months. But I figured it's maybe something I should have done before, and all the time I was working on it. But you know how it is. You get caught up in doing one thing or another, and then you end up forgetting. But yeah, let's get under there. Right there's the drain. And it's pretty simple. Literally, it's a drain. Stick the tool in there. Gotta go the other way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Remember that always. As you can see, it comes out pretty simple. It was on there pretty tight. Again, last time I did it, I made sure it wasn't gonna leak, and it didn't. So, trying to make sure the pan is right where it needs to be. Oh, that was pretty clean still. Ugh, splattered. That was splattered. Oh, shit. Yeah, that was still pretty clean, but just to be on the safe side, like I said, it's got about 20,000 miles, maybe a little less than that, since I did it the last time. And let me raise it up. I'm tired of that. Too much splatter. So yeah, it holds about 3 quarts in it. Oh, a little less than that. It's getting heavy now. This stuff is pretty good. I actually bought this. I bought this from VMP Performance. It was actually cheaper to buy from them than to buy it straight from Amsoil, which is weird. So I'm gonna post a link up. You can buy the complete kit from VMP, and you get all 3 oils in a box, ready to go. And the pump, you can buy these pumps like at Harbor Freight. I think you can get them at Lowe's or something. I'm not even sure. I think I got this at Harbor Freight, or I ordered something from Amsoil before, and it came with the pump. I don't know, but you can get those pumps from me. I think you can get them on Amazon for like $2 or $3. Let's put the plug back in it, and we'll start filling. Like I said, it's a pretty easy job. It's not complicated at all. This is something anybody could do. Anybody could do with basic hand tools. Alright guys, let's get it filled up. So you're gonna need an 8mm Allen key. So Allen key and a wrench, and just give you that extra little bit of torque, and came right out. Yep, that's it. That's all you need to get the filler loose. Everything was good. Everything's clean. No metal. Everything's good. As you see, I got the oil ready. Here's the pump. I just start the pump. We got it all hooked up. There she goes. Like I said, you can pick these pumps from Amazon, Harbor Freight. It's pretty much the same process for all three of them. So, yeah, that's it. It's pretty quick too. Almost there. There's one. Get it all. Alright. Alright, put the cap back on, just gonna snug it. Doesn't have to be crazy tight. Just one decent ooga is enough. And that's it, guys. It's a pretty simple job. Simple maintenance. Anybody could do at home. You don't need to go to the dealership to do this kind of stuff. You know, just trying to show you guys. I know this is not the most exciting video today, but this is just stuff we got to do to keep these cars alive for the fun stuff. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button. You know, because we're all about new subscribers. We're trying to make this channel grow, and we got love for everybody. So we'll see you guys on the next one.